Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Went down to one of my favorite places, the estate sale, and I picked up something. Yeah, John, I stole your idea. Except this is a marble cake stand. Cost $5. And I said, you know what? I might be able to use that. So there. Now we're up with the Joneses, or the Scout Crafters. This reminds me of a story. Long ago, back when I was barely old enough to be out and around, my older brother was up at Roy Campsell's house when we lived out at Messenger Lake. Roy was building a new outhouse, and he cut out the holes, and there were these oval boards left. And my brother thought that it would be a really nice thing to give Mom a present. So he came home and said, "Mom, I got you a breadboard." Mom never said anything. She just used it as a breadboard, and she's telling me this many years later. But yeah, it was the cutout from an outdoor toilet. This kind of reminds me of that.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.